A step chuck is a collet that steps out to grip a larger diameter part. Step chucks can be used in a hard-hinge collet-ready machine spindle, in a collet adapter on a chuck-style lathe, and for collet blocks and rotary indexers. Step chucks are a good substitute for jaw chucks when higher precision is required. They have a smaller profile, can operate at higher RPM, and are faster to set up. The step chuck has a hardened and ground back bearing and closing taper. Threads are heat-treated, and the body is spring-tempered to assure accuracy and durability. A closer is required to use the step chuck. Emergency step chucks can be machined by the customer for short part runs, or when you don't have time to get a hardened and ground step chuck to meet your deadline. Hardened step chucks are made in C-Series and 3J collet styles. Step chucks are available in regular depth for half-inch maximum gripping depth and extra depth for grips up to 1 1/4 inch. Custom step chucks have been made to swallow long parts. As a machine tool builder, Hardinge is unique in manufacturing turning centers that accept a step chuck directly into the machine spindle. To install a step chuck, open the drawbar access door of the Hardinge machine and remove the locking bolts to loosen the machine's drawbar. Mount the step chuck closure to the spindle aligning the mounting holes and turn in the mounting bolts. Tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern using a torque wrench. Align the keyway in the step chuck to the key in the spindle and push it into the closer and spindle seat. At this time, you'll need to return to the drawbar access door of the machine to turn the drawbar to draw in the step chuck. Install and tighten the locking bolts in place. Special shapes can be ordered to grip odd-shaped parts. Pins can be threaded into the closer for the part to locate against, providing exact part length control. Step chuck fixture plates can be used for odd-shaped parts. The part will bolt on or can be held by a partial cap or lid. The Hardinge force-limiting step chuck is used for delicate or thin-wall parts. Step chucks can also be used for end-for-end work. The gripping area will be prepared to grip both ends of the part. Expand your turning and milling capabilities and increase your part accuracy with a Hardinge step chuck. Step chucks can be purchased online at www.shophardinge.com or call 800-843-8801.